Good morning, everybody. It's the middle of January, and I'm kind of prepping for the next big shop project. I have help from Larry and Carrie coming this week to kind of sort this out, but let me show you what I'm dealing with. So when I turn the camera around here, this is the main part of, the main hand tool part of the wood shop you see me use all the time. But what you might not know is there's a loft up there. The last people who lived here fixed cars, so there was a loft for putting engine parts in. He actually had engine blocks stored up there, and there was a lift that went up and down. So as you can see, it's mainly for wood storage, but it's a disaster up there. There's a little air filter that I need airflow around, and then there's a fan that hardly ever gets used, and then these boards, big boards, long boards. This is like 12 feet deep. So like I intended the boards to be stacked up kind of like this, but they always tip over on each other. They're always in the way. Whatever board you want is at the bottom of the pile always. So this needs to be dealt with. So I think we're gonna try to design and build some sort of scrap wood cubby or racking system to organize and store these big boards. Some of these boards are like 12 feet long, 16 inches wide, 12 inches wide. They're really nice pieces of lumber. And there's more that I'd like to put up here, but it's just such a mess. There's no reason to mess with it. So anyway, that's the next big shop project. Stay tuned.